Pickle.
Plural, third person singular present tense pickles.
Present participle pickling.
Past tense, past participle pickled.
Word origin.
Pickle.
Vegetables or fruit, sometimes cut into pieces, which have been kept in vinegar or salt water for quite a while with the goal that they have a solid, sharp taste.
Also called
Achar.
a cucumber that has been preserved and flavored in a pickling solution, such as brine or vinegar.
To preserve food in vinegar or salt water.
A naughty kid.
Be in a pickle.
To be in a very difficult situation and not know what to do.
A fine pickle we are in.
In UAE, companies found themselves in a pickle when COVID-19 came. Dill pickle.
A pickled cucumber flavored with dill.
Pickler.
One who makes pickles.
A vegetable or fruit suitable for pickling.
Pickled.
Someone who is pickled, it means that they are drunk.
Pickled food, such as vegetables, fruit, and fish, has been kept in liquid to preserve it.
Subscribe, like and share please, thank you. It is all for you.